Hey everybody, this is Greg Mursko again from the RPAC Art Center. Just reminding you that we do have another workshop that's going to be becoming available. It is retouching people, models, what have you. It just goes through changing of skin tones, changing of body style. I mean, you name it, it's in there. This is a beauty shot. Beauty shots are usually from the shoulders to the top of the head. In fashion, I've done a whole lot of touching up to this model and changed skin tones. I've done a whole lot of things to it. Just real quick, just to give you guys an idea what I can do or what you can do. You can go, let's try this. Let's go create this into a smart filter. This is just, again, a teaser for you guys. And I will go to layer, and I'm going to go straight to liquefy. Liquefy is an extremely powerful tool that's in Photoshop. There are all sorts of things. I go through all these tools with you, but I just want to kind of make you aware on this little teaser is of the face category, and where you could literally go in and start messing around with eyes. Notice eyes getting bigger, eyes getting smaller. You could do funky stuff and unlink it and just go with one eye getting bigger, one eye getting smaller. Now I do notice that this model kind of has one eye that's a little smaller than the other. So I'll unlink it and I'll make that a little bit bigger to match it up. Then you have eye height. And I think the eye height is fine, so I'm just going to leave that alone. Leave that at 0. You got your eye width. I just linked both of them again, so if you want our eyes a little wider and bigger. You got your eye tilt, which I don't know why you'd want to do that, but who knows. Maybe there's one eye that's really messed up that you want to fix. And then you have your eye distance. Move them in closer, move them far away. Again, something I usually don't want to mess around with too much. Now, say if her nose is a little big, let's bring it down a little bit. Cool thing is this part of the face aware liquefy actually finds out where these areas are. You want her nose longer, shorter. You can mess with the mouth, make her smile, which looks really weird. Make her frown, make her upper lip bigger, make it smaller, make her lower lip bigger or smaller. That looks weird. Go with her mouth height a little bit bigger, close it a little bit. Let's look at her forehead. Forehead a little longer, a little shorter. These are all things that you can do in liquefy. Now what I want to do is see how her chin is a little bit boxy. I'm going to reduce that a little bit. And the best is to do that with the jawline. So this is going to find her jawline and literally tuck it in. You can mess with the face width. And just to preview what you've done, original, new, original, new. Yes, the magical world of fashion, magical or fake, whichever one you want to choose. Press OK, and there you have it. So please join on my workshop, join up. Let me show you all the ins and outs of skin toning and fixing eyes and noses and all that magical stuff. And I hope to see you there. Look at www.rpacartcenter.com for times, and I'd love to see you at the workshop. Thank you and have a good day.